You wake up from yet another restless night of sleep, feeling like a zombie, knowing but you have no option but to get through the day, irritated by how yet another night of peace has been stolen from you. You go through your day feeling like you're on autopilot, remembering happiness as though it's a distant memory. You feel agitated at work, every little thing irritating you, annoying you. You think to yourself, I just need to get through this project and then everything will be better. And yet you get through the project and nothing changes. This is exactly how people who are experiencing symptoms of burnout are feeling. This is exactly how I felt 7 years ago, the last time I burnt out. Since then, I have dedicated my life to overcoming burnout and helping dozens and dozens of individuals and employee teams to become their most thriving self. My clients see job promotions, salary increases, but amazingly, at the same time, greater well-being. And that is exactly what Natasha and I are going to be teaching in our 2-part workshop coming up August 13th and 20th. You are going to learn how to regulate your nervous system and how to achieve a holistic version of success, because you don't need to choose between your well-being and your professional success. Check the link for more details. Cheers, my friend.